Mr. Smith is somehow a wise person, and so Mr. Anderson is an unwise person because Mr. Smith does not do the same deed Mr. Anderson does in practice unnecessarily. So he has money or lucre in hands in need, but Mr. Anderson cannot have so. So Mr. Anderson is a prodigal or improvident person or profligate person. Choice E so fits the blank too, and choice D and if so choice D and F are eliminated. They are incorrect, both of which mean a miser person, which is the opposite by meaning according to the direction and detection with respect to the passage to make sense. So Mr. Smith has to be a person opposite in personality of Mr. Anderson, who is a lavish person, and so Mr. Smith is a frugal person. But described immediately after the blank one is a detour sign, which denotes that he is a negatively frugal, that is, negative provident or miser, which is made by choice A, and choice B and C means the opposite meaning. Choice A fits blank one. Mr. Anderson loiters a lot, and he does not retrench or skimp. So Mr. Smith, as a skinflint, does not loiter. So choice H fits blank 3 with respect to other correct answers. Choice G and I are incorrect to fit blank 3 in the perspective of the passage. So the correct answers are choice A, choice E, and choice H.